So how do you use a rent back to avoid a double move? Now, it's pretty common that our clients are selling their current home and moving up into a bigger home, but in order to do so, they have to sell their current home first. They need the cash from their sale to put down on their new home, and they only need a couple days or maybe even a couple weeks in between both transactions. Hey guys, we're back with another episode of Mondays with Mario, and today we'll be discussing how to use a rent back to avoid a double move. So a rent back can come into play when you're selling your home. The concept is all in the name. Your rent back was once your home from the now owner, and now this allows you to stay in the home and rent it back from the person who bought it from you, so you have a little bit more time to make the move into your dream home. In this scenario, we put a rent back in place and negotiate as part of your sale. This will allow you to stay in your home typically anywhere from a day up to 60 days in the home after you've sold it. By doing so, you actually become the tenant of the home that you just sold, as you rent it back from the people who bought it from you. This is a pretty interesting scenario, but it definitely frees you of any unwanted stress during your move. Now, since you're no longer the owner, it's only fair that you cover the buyer's mortgage payment while you're living in the house. This will allow you to stay there for a couple weeks or so, take the proceeds from your sale, and now close on your dream home, and then you get to move into it. Now, you'll avoid the double move, and essentially, you'll also avoid going homeless. So if you're thinking about moving, but you've been wondering, how do I deal with this? How do I sell? How do I avoid not having to stay with my in-laws for a couple of weeks? That's how you do it. You do it with the rent back. So if you want to learn more about that, I'd love the opportunity to explain it more in depth. I'd love the opportunity to help you with the sale of your home so that you can move into that dream house of yours. Give me a call or shoot me a text, 760-562-8121, and let's talk options. I'm Mario Albañez, signing off.